Welcome back to Cooking with Cardi. I'm your host, Brent Cardi. I am not a chef. I have no special training in cooking whatsoever. Everything I have learned came from my mom. Hi, Mom. Whatever I make in this channel is my first time making it, just to prove to you that if I can do it, so can you. Let's get at it. Today we get to make and bake monster cookies. There's some unreal ingredients that we get to mix together, and I'm so stoked to see what that raw cookie dough is gonna taste like. Anyways, enough talking, let's get started. You are gonna need quick oats, flour, baking soda, salt, butter, peanut butter, brown sugar, white sugar, vanilla, molasses, an egg, semi-sweet chocolate chips, and M&Ms. We can't forget today's apron. Much better. First, we're going to start off by preheating that oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Then in a small bowl, we're going to mix 1 1/4 cup quick oats, 1 cup of flour, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, and a half a teaspoon of salt. Now we're just going to put that aside. Nice. Now in a large mixing bowl, we're going to put a half a cup of unsalted butter, a half a cup of creamy peanut butter. Come on, get out of there. Get the hell out of there. Yeah. Oh, yeah. 3/4 cups of packed brown sugar and a 1/4 cup of granulated white sugar. Now we're going to mix that together with this possibly very dangerous vintage old hand mixer. Look at that plug-in. Should we trust it? We're now going to scrape down the sides to get it all into the middle. We are now going to add a teaspoon of vanilla, 2 teaspoons of molasses, and 1 large egg. Now we're going to mix that all together until it's fully combined. Scrape down the sides again. And mix it all up together one more time. Grab that bowl of oats, flour, baking soda, and salt from before and chuck that in there. Now mix it all up so it's all good and blended together. Next, we're going to go ahead and add 1 cup of M&Ms and 1 cup of semi-sweet chocolate chips. Now we can fold the dough and all that chocolate together to get it all combined. Now that all the prep work is done, go ahead and taste that dough. You've earned it. Now you're going to want to find a big spoon. I'm going to use an ice cream scoop. Take big scoops and plop them right down on that baking pan. Now since these cookies are literally monsters, you're going to want to space them out pretty good and do about only 6 per pan. Now you can toss those in the oven and set the timer for 15 minutes at 350 degrees Fahrenheit. And now that you got a little more time, you may as well eat some more cookie dough, because damn she good. 15 minutes is up, let's pull them out. You're going to know they're done when they've got a crispy golden brown outside edge and mushy in the middle, just like that. Let them sit on a baking sheet for a couple minutes before transferring them to a cooling rack, or in my case, a cutting board. Cookies are done. Check it out. This is what they look like. Oh, look how chocolatey that is. Let's give them a taste. They smell delicious. Oh, wow. So chocolatey. So moist on the inside, so crispy on the outside. Whoa. Give me a jug of milk, I could eat these all day. That's it for the video. If you enjoyed watching, give it a like. Comment what you think I should cook next for you. Subscribe to my channel so you never miss out and you can follow along on all our cooking adventures. Now get the hell out of here because I got a full rack of cookies to go get. Till next time.